Hey everyone, Siddhant here, and today I'm going to show you guys MI11 tips and tricks and secret features that you might not know. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Also, before starting a video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more videos like this. And this is the Oreo version, so make sure that you guys update your phone to the Oreo in order to benefit from these tricks. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first trick on the list is this picture-in-picture mode. So you can enable this thing on your phone by going to the settings. So you can go to the settings, then go to app notification, then go to advanced, then go to special app access, and there you can see the picture-in-picture. So currently these are the apps that can benefit from the picture-in-picture mode. So every app has a different type to enable it. So in the Chrome you can go to YouTube. Currently YouTube doesn't support because it only works on YouTube Red, so you have to have a YouTube Red subscription. But if you go into Chrome, you can open YouTube and make sure that it's a desktop version site. So just enable it desktop version and play the video full screen, and you can just click on the home button. As you guys can see, now there is a video playing in the background, so you can do anything. So it's really cool feature. So next on the list is the fingerprint gesture. You can just swipe from the top on the fingerprint sensor to avail this thing. So you can, it's really handy feature, so you don't have to reach every time on the screen. You can just do it from the fingerprint sensor. It's a really cool trick. List is the system UI tuner tricks. So you can just go to tap and hold on this settings icon, and it will rotate and just release it, and you will enable system UI tuner. Now go to system UI tuner in the settings, then go to status bar. Then you can see bunch of options for time and battery percentage. If you want to display battery percentage next to your battery icon, you can just click here, or you can also display seconds, which is really cool in my opinion. As you guys can see, you can display seconds, so it's a really cool trick to have. Make sure to try this one out. So the next trick on the list is app shortcuts. Now you can create any app shortcut. Currently there are not every app supports this, but there are a lot of apps that support this. As you can see, you can just tap and hold on the app and you can create shortcuts. So for YouTube you can go to trending, search and subscription and stuff like that. And if I go into Google Keep, you can create a shortcut for, let's say, create a new note, and you can just tap on it and it will be on a home screen. You can just tap on it and it will directly redirect you to the specific task. As you guys can see, in this case it is write a new note. So as you guys can see, it's a really cool trick to have. Make sure to try this one out. So the built-in feature in Oreo is the notification dot. So when you have a notification, there will be dot on the specific app which you have received notification from. So it will tell you that you have a notification, and if I clear out the notification, the dot will be gone. So let me show you guys. So as I clear the notification, the dot will be gone. So as you guys can see, so it's a really cool feature to have. It just shows you whether you have notifications or not. So make sure to try this one out. Also built-in feature in the Oreo is this cover art thing. So if you are playing a video on Chrome, let's say, or if you are listening to a song, there will be a cover art in the notification tab, as you guys can see. So let me play another video and the cover art will be changed. This applies to the music also. So if you are playing music, the album art will be displayed in the notification tray, as you guys can see, and it also changes color depending upon the album art. So it's a really cool trick. Also there are new sets of emoji in the Oreo. So as you guys can see, if I compare it to my phone, as you guys can see, it's running Nougat. As you guys can see, the emojis are circular. In my opinion, it looks really cool, but you might have a different opinion. It's up to you. As you guys can see, this is the side-by-side comparison with the Nougat. So as you guys can see, in my opinion, this looks cool and they are circular. So yeah, that's that. So next trick on the list is this night light feature. This was already built in the MIUI, but it is now in Oreo as well. So you can go to display and night light. What basically this allow you to do is block out all the blue light coming out of your display. So you can use it, and you can also schedule it to automatically on for a custom time. So let's say sunset to sunrise and stuff like that. And you can also change the intensity. So this will just block out the blue light coming from your display, and the display will tilt to a yellowish orange shade. So yeah, that's that. So next trick on the list, if you are bombarded with notifications, you can just snooze it by opening up the notification tray and select the specific app and just swipe right, and there will be this icon. You can just click on it, and you can also choose the time. So max you can do is 2 hours. So if you are getting bombarded with notification, you can just do that, and there you will not receive notification for that specific time. So it's a really cool feature to have, especially if you receive a lot of notification. You can just simply snooze it. So next on the list is the storage manager app. So you can go to settings and go to storage, and you can just toggle the storage manager on. What this basically allow you to do is just clear the photos and videos which are 90 days old. So make sure to use this one. If you want to keep your photos and videos, do not toggle this on. So yeah, carefully use this feature. So next on the list is this MI audio enhancer. So if you are using MI headphones, so you can go to sound and go to MI audio enhancer. What this will allow you to do is you can choose a bunch of headphones there are. So if your headphones on this list, you can just choose it and it will make the audio better, I guess. So as you guys can see, this is only for MI headphones. So if you are using MI headphones, you can use this feature. So last trick on the list is if you go into some messaging apps, for let's say the messaging app, and if you type a number or you can say a location and you just select it, and as you guys can see, there will be the phone icon. So if you're typing a number, you can just click on the phone icon and it will redirect you to the phone app. Same applies for location. If you're typing a specific location, you can go to the map. So it's a really handy feature. So yeah guys, this will basically reflect this video. Make sure to hit that like button, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace out.